tanong mo. I heard you last time that carb is non-essential. Why? Well, first off, my crossover, it is in the book that nutritionists and doctors use. That's the first reason. It is not a mere opinion of me. It's not me who said that carb is non-essential. It is in their book. I'm just sharing it. So, it's in their book. Now, as to why it is non-essential, carbohydrates basically turns into glucose sa katawan natin because our body, it needs glucose, no? From time to time. Our bodies need glucose from time to time. So does that make dietary carbohydrates essential? So if our bodies need glucose from time to time, then why is carb non-essential? It should be essential, di ba? Yun yung argument ng mga calorie deficit, ng mga kung sino-sino dyan sa tabi. So if glucose is essential sa katawan natin and carb turns into glucose, then why is carb non-essential? That's the first question. That is basically your question. It is because the reason why carb is non-essential, dietary carb is non-essential, it is because we can produce what it gives us on our own, even if we do not eat it. So the glucose that we need in our body, we don't need to get it from dietary carbohydrates. We can produce it inside on our own. So whatever we need, whenever we need glucose, we don't even have to say, I need glucose now. No, your body will say, okay, kailangan ko ng glucose.